Super fun costume time.
Hello and welcome back to Super Fun Costume Time. Wow, did you see that? Thanks to your help in a previous episode, the Easter Bunny's magic strength has grown tremendously. Did you know that most people start with eating the ears on their chocolate Easter bunnies? It's true, 59% to be exact. Don't worry, we wouldn't eat your ears, even if they were delicious chocolate. Today, we will be trying 3 different methods of coloring eggs. First, magic egg machine. Second, toss, shake, and color egg kit. Third, Dudley egg spinner. Be sure to stay till the end to see the Easter Bunny do one bonus style of dyeing eggs, Dudley dye cups.
Super fun costume time.
Before we get started, let's make sure to keep our paws and workspace clean. Wow, good job, Easter Bunny. First, we have the magic egg machine. Let's see what's inside. Oh, look, lots of colorful markers. Some plastic eggs. What else is in there? Oh, more colorful markers. And, oh, the magic egg machine itself. Awesome! Let's try the magic egg machine. First, put in our egg. Oh, and then you put the protective card over top. Now the Easter Bunny is going to pick some colors. Oh, very nice. Oh, look at that nice blue. And yellow. Beautiful, they make wonderful stripes. The machine spins the egg in circles while you color it. Oh, uh-oh. Something went wrong. Oh, that's okay. We got it fixed. Very nice. Wow, look at that. How neat. I really like that one, Easter Bunny. Let's try making a second one. Put the guard on the egg and select your colors. Oh, good choice, Easter Bunny. That blue looks very nice. And purple as well. How about we try another color? Green, good choice. Wow, this magic egg spinner is great. Uh-oh, something went wrong again. That's okay, that egg looks beautiful. Great job, Easter Bunny. I really like this one too. Should we try a third egg? Sure. Oh, those are beautiful colors. Purple, pink. Wow. It's very neat how the egg just spins and spins. Let's see what it looks like now that it's finished. Wow, how colorful and very unique. Now Now that we've finished the magic egg machine, let's clean up this mess and try the next way of coloring eggs. Toss, shake, and color Easter egg kit. Why don't you use your magic and we can set this one up? Each bag of rice will have its own color dye. Once each bag has its own color of dye, you can go ahead and mix it up a little bit. Next, you'll take an egg and add it to the bag. Zip it up and shake, shake, shake away. Once you've done some shaking, take your egg out of the bag and see what you've got. Wow, that is a really vibrant yellow egg. Look at it, it's so beautiful. Why don't we try another color? Shake it up. Wow, this really works. I'm surprised that this rice colors the eggs so well, Easter Bunny. Okay, I think we have just one color left, and this time it's blue. Oh, looks like the rice was sticking. Look how bright it is. Excellent, they all came out beautifully. Look at how vibrant and bright those colors are. This one really worked. I like the rice kit. Okay, now that we've done that one, why don't you use your magic and clear the table again for us? Perfect. Now that the table's clean, what was that last kit again? That's right, the Dudley spinning egg. Okay, now that we've got our last kit, let's give it a try. Let's see, how does this thing open? It spins a lot. Oh, I guess we need to put in some dye. First, we're going to open it up, put in an egg, and then put some drops of dye into the spinner. Next, we'll put the lid on and press the button. Oh my, the lid seems to keep falling off. Oh, this thing isn't working at all. Oh gee, now it seems to be stuck. Press the button more, Bunny. What's happening? Oh, maybe we try a second egg. Okay, let's see what happens now. Press faster, maybe that'll fix it. Well, that didn't seem to work. Aww. Boo, this one isn't working well at all. Oh well, I don't think this one's gonna work so well, Easter Bunny. Let's see what we've got. Oh, it's kind of green, but it's very messy. I guess they're all right, but they're definitely not my favorite. Let's not do any more with that one. That's okay, egg spinner. I think we're finished. Boy, that one was tough. I didn't like that one either. Let's clean up this mess.
It's costume time.
Since that last one didn't work, let's try something else. Oh, good idea. Traditional egg dye cups. Lots of people use cups just like these to dye their eggs every year. Let's see what's inside. Wow, there are lots of colorful cups. It looks like there's a cup for each color and a tablet to go inside. Let's go ahead and put our tablets in their matching cups. Now we'll use magic. Oh, look, a half cup measuring cup. Let's see what now. I think the Easter Bunny is going to use his special magic to get water to fill each colored cup. Oh, look, here's our first half cup of water now. Uh-oh, I think that's the wrong color. That looks green. Let's go ahead and take that tab out and put the green liquid into the green cup and try again. That's okay, we can fix the problem. Let's try another one. Can you get some more water, Easter Bunny? Oh, there's the next one. I think it matches. This one we must have gotten right. All right, now for the blue. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. And that one matches too. Good job, Easter Bunny. Get some more water. Use your magic. Nice. Only one cup left. Great. Now that each cup has a half cup of water in it, we'll switch from a half cup measuring cup to a quarter cup. Great. Easter Bunny used his magic and switched to a quarter cup. Now this one will get filled with vinegar. Oh, the pink cup doesn't get any vinegar, only water for that one. So and the blue, and then finally the last cup will be the orange cup. Perfect. Oh, that's a good idea. We should mix it up. Make sure the tablets dissolve completely. Good job mixing, Easter Bunny. It looks pretty good to me. All right, we can clean up that spoon. Here's a drying tray so that when we take our eggs out, we have somewhere to put them. Okay, now the dipper that came with your kit needs bent. The Easter Bunny bent his to fit perfectly into each cup. Now let's go ahead and start putting in the eggs. Wow, look at those colors. Orange, pink, green, blue, and yellow. Oh, very nice. That was for 2 minutes. Let's do it again with some new eggs. This time, we're going to do it longer. 5 minutes later. These ones look more vibrant. I wonder if being in the dye cup longer meant the eggs got more color. Let's do another one for 8 minutes this time. There we go. 8 minutes later. Okay, let's take them out. Take them out carefully, one at a time, using your dipper. Try not to spill, but sometimes accidents happen. Here's all of our eggs. Don't they look beautiful? Each color is vibrant and lively. I really like the 5 and 8 minute eggs. I think they're really bright and beautiful. Let's clean up, Easter Bunny. Use your magic. Oh, wow. Great. And now we'll clean up the table and admire our eggs. They all look beautiful. What amazing colors. Wow, all of those eggs are so beautiful, Easter Bunny. Your magic made it go super fast. Which one was your favorite to do? Oh, the magic egg machine. Which one did you not like to do? Oh, yes, the egg spinner. That one just didn't work correctly. Oh, well. Which one do you think is the most vibrant? Oh, the rice shake eggs. That's great. They're really bright and colorful. That was wonderful. I'm so glad we made all of these eggs together. We had a lot of fun. And we learned 3 or 4 different ways to make colored eggs for Easter. Now, I think it's time for the Easter Bunny to take all the eggs and put them in his basket. Wow! Now we should clean up the table. No need for these gloves anymore. Thank you so much for helping us color all of these eggs. We look forward to seeing you again next time. Now we'll see you later, Easter Bunny. Have a good time delivering those eggs.